Want to learn how to make a music visualizer video like this one? Hey everyone, I'm Becca, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do just this using Veed, the online editing software. You can join Veed for free today with the link in the description below, or you can search for Veed, V-E-E-D, in your search engine and find the link there. Once you have signed up and logged into Veed, you'll be prompted to make a new project. Click the Upload a File button and find the audio file you wish to use. Veed will then give you the option to use one of these three templates, however I want to start with a blank canvas. Firstly, you can choose to resize the image by clicking on the size drop-down menu and choosing how you want your video to look. I'm going to pretend I'm making this video for an Instagram story, so I'm going to select story. You can see Veed has automatically resized the video canvas. To create the music visualizer, head over to the Elements tab on the sidebar. Scroll down until you see Add Sound Waves and click View All to open up all your sound wave options. Select one to add. I'm going to select this top one, and then you can see Veed will automatically add it onto your video canvas. You can then click and drag your sound wave to wherever you want it to be. You can change the color and the opacity, and you can also change the decibels. If you don't want your video to be shown throughout the entire of your video, you can adjust the duration. Head down to the timeline and use the buttons on the sides to click and drag where you want your sound wave to begin and end. You can also add more than one sound wave by repeating this process. You can also adjust the size of the sound wave by clicking and dragging on the buttons on the sides. I'm now going to press play so you can see what it looks like. If I want to change the colour of the background, I can do that as well. Head over to the Settings tab on the sidebar and then change the colour using the Background Colour Adjustment tool. You can also choose to have an image or a video as your background. You can do this by selecting the Upload button on the sidebar and selecting Upload Video or Image. You can see that the video clip is a lot longer than the music and the sound wave, so I'm just going to edit that. I can do this by selecting the video in the timeline and clicking the Split button and then deleting the unwanted video. You may want to add text to your video. Select the text box option in the sidebar, which will then open up several options for you to choose from. Type out the text that you want. You can then click and drag the text box to where you want it to be in your video. You can change the size, the font, and the colour. When you are happy with your finished video, go ahead and click the export button in the top right corner. You can then use the drop-down menu to select which resolution you wish to export in, and then when you're ready, press the export video button. Veed will then begin to render your video. This could take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on your Wi-Fi speed. Once Veed has finished exporting your video, you can press the play button and check that you're happy with it one last time. If you want to make any changes to your music visualizer video, click on the Edit Video button and this will take you directly back into the Veed editing studio. However, if you are happy with your video, go ahead and click the Download MP4 button and Veed will automatically download and save this to your computer. That's how you make a music visualizer video quickly. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. But if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments below. Don't forget you can join Veed for free today with the link in the description. And for more easy to follow editing tutorials, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.